More you in 2021. The soul purpose blueprint. Strategy plus destiny for this coming year. So if we break that more you is, if we look at it numerically, you is a combination of your soul imprint, your karma, and the action that it will need to fulfill itself in this lifetime. So this is a special webinar this coming Monday on February 8th at 6, in which participant will discover their soul purpose blueprint and what will be the parameters to create a plan, to create a strategy and milestone that correlates with their desires, your desires, and the energy of this year. So 2021 is a very creative year. However, it's very impulsive as well. People will make rush decisions. They will make it in a flash. They will decide to get fancy about things that never thought about. It will be dramatic in its effect, but it's also highly creative and highly entertaining. We can already see the entertainment that is unfolding. We are funny, and funny start to kind of become somewhat the background of the conversation as well. Funny in our choices. So our choices many times are based on our soul imprint, our desires, our passions, the things that we need to work on, the thing that we aspire to and motivate us every day through our choices, the prism that we looked at, that we view our reality. It's all based on the soul blueprint. Now, we're going to go within this webinar on all 11 soul imprints, and you have one of them, obviously. And what will be the blueprint of that manifestation or expression in this year, in 2021. Like, for instance, a soul blueprint of one in this year, I'm just going to give you a little example, will actually make impulsive, risky decisions about new things that they want to try or invent or step into without taking any measurements of precautions, as well as any measurement of weighing the pros and cons of what is possible within it. So we're going to go in a deeper level, and at least different souls in your life as well, so you can bring them that information as well. Now, that will manifest itself this year in a certain purpose. That prism that our soul hold is melded within the greater energy of the year itself. So these two, I would say, two prisms, when they come together, has a certain experience. Now, how we handle that experience within the coming months will be very crucial into determine how things gonna evolve for us the coming months and even in the coming year. And we need to actually make some choices and some milestones, and we're gonna go through that form a simple strategy around that, so the soul destiny, your desires, your sense of purpose can have a container to manifest into, have a framework to become an expression, because, as I said before, this is very creative and expressive year. So your type of expression need to have some sort of structure, container, and progression, so to speak. Space is limited. You want to go on the website below this video and reserve your space. It's a sliding scale, and it's, if nothing else, it's a really small investment of time and small investment of money to actually invest in your own success. Thank you for listening. Hari Om.